One day in, one day out, on top then you're down. The highs and the lows keep swirling. Walk these streets like you're beat, then rise up to meet the break that you need. It's coming. Just hold on, hold on, yeah. Lift your eyes off the ground. You've only begun. Rising up through the clouds. No, never give up. Climb on, climb. New York back to LA. It's so hard to stay and rest in one place. Yeah, but I see what you don't, will where you won't. So don't dare let go. Just hold on, hold on, yeah. Lift your eyes off the ground. You only begun. Rising up through the clouds. No, never give up. Climb on, climb. You're comparing yourself, it's like a kiss of death. Instead of doing what you're doing, you get caught up in your head. Feet on the road with your eyes on the prize. Inch by inch, one step at a time. You're losing hope when you can't find a way to speed up the timeline. But one day, though it might be a while, it's gonna be worth every mile if you just hold on. Hold on. Hold on, just hold on, yeah. Lift your eyes off the ground. You've only begun. Rising up through the clouds. No, never give up. Climb on, climb. Lift your eyes off the ground. You've only begun. Rising up through the clouds. No, never give up.
Funny things happen in the 21st century. Thought life was playing crazy tricks on me. I found you hanging out at the coin laundry. I was a quarter short and you were there beside me. As we sat back, watched my shirt spin, talk places we've been. Two hearts that might never be the same. A rush of blood to my head, heartbeats in my chest. I wondered how things were gonna change. If we go down this way, you think we'll find it. If we go down this way, you think we'll find it. If we align the stars, you think we'll find it. If we go down this way, you think we'll find it. Funny things happen in the 21st century. Flying down a road with you right next to me. Every time we touch it opens up a mystery. Looking at the world around so differently. We drove up and down through the coastline. I found you in time when I was looking for some change. It's fate, but we called it luck. Think I'm falling in love. Then I heard you say find it if we go down this way? You think we'll find it if we align the stars? You think we'll bind it if we go down this way?